Hey, welcome back to Jacobit's Learning Kids Invest in Stocks. Let's take a look at what happened from Friday to today, Monday. Keep in mind, we're not at the close of business. We're like 20 minutes before business closes. This is what happened on 3/16. With 12 shares, and we had a gain of $791.28. It was 37% gain. So keep in mind that the total gain was not 791. The gain before that was about 760. So people sometimes look at these numbers, because I know when I first saw this, I did, that this 37.38 meant something. But then, like, when you go back to today, which is March 18th, look what's happening. Today on March 18th, you only have a 29.33, really a 29% gain. And this amount is actually lower than the amount that you had on Friday. But here's the situation. You have total gain in a value of $3,354.68. How is that possible? Big question, because it's where you bought the stock and what happened to it. You had a very quick loss, a drop, and you had a $2.74 drop. But overall, you ended up, because you were over here at 14 shares, you bought 2 more shares. So you bought 2 more shares for less, and that's $239.62. And then multiply that by 2 is what's exactly happening. 239.62 times 2 would come out to $479.24. But since it was a drop in value of what you had before, which was what it was worth, you have to count that amount in too. So you have a drop, but these are little bitty percentage drops of what the stock is worth and what you're valuing here. So it cost you $479.24, and then it dropped $2.74, but you have a gain because you have more shares. Your total value. Now, some people are looking for, and by the way, we have certified financial investors in this building. Some people are looking for this percent here, this to be worth more, when really you want to buy it when it's lower. So we should have waited and bought it when it was lower, because we would have more money here at $239.10. If we had bought 2 more shares there and it spirals up the next couple of days, we're going to get more. Keep in mind, over the last couple of months, this is what it's gone to. Okay, this is what you started at. I'm sorry, $2,593.38, and then you're over here at this amount. So you gained, but you don't see it. Overall, your daily gain is $760. And again, people are saying, why is this going lower? It doesn't make sense why it's going lower. It really doesn't. There was a drop in price. Okay, so your price went down, but you gained. When you get your forms, you'll have a profit loss statement, and if you were to get it today, you would show a gain, and you would also maybe even show what they're worth right now. They're still worth quite a substantial amount, because this value over here has not completely gone down to nothing. So let's say this value went down to 0. Then you'd see more of an effect on this price. And we're hoping not to see a complete drop in prices. Okay, that's what happened today. Thanks for watching.